The Indian government has sanctioned the setting up of 8th Central Pay Commission, by which almost 50 lakh central government employees and 65 lakh pensioners would have their revised salaries and allowances. Prime Minister Narendra Modi made the announcement on Thursday, hinting that the order shall elevate the quality of life of government employees besides increasing economic consumption. This is one of the steps towards Viksit Bharat. Prime Minister Modi accentuated the role of government employees in building a developed India. He stated, the decision of the cabinet on the 8th Pay Commission will improve the quality of life and boost the consumption of government employees. The announcement comes almost with the 7th Pay Commission's term, which was set up in 2014, concluding in 2026. The immediate recommendations of this Pay Commission shall prevent delays in implementation. What is the 8th Pay Commission? It is a body that recommends on the pay structure, perks and allowances available in government employment. 7 pay commissions were constituted since independence in India, which help shape the financial well-being of public sector employees. The 8th Pay Commission, approved in 2025, will have a chair and 2 members who will take consultations with the central and state governments and other stakeholders on the issue. He highlights beneficiaries: over 49 lakh employees and 65 lakh pensioners. Implementation timeline: recommendations before the expiry of the term of the 7th Pay Commission 2026. Economic impact: increased salaries and allowances shall promote consumption, leading to economic growth. The economy and societal effects: setting up a new pay commission is expected to have a ripple effect on the economy of India. More disposable economic income among government employees will create spending across the board and provide demand, thus temporarily stimulating the economy and delegating to the growth. Challenges and questions: while the move has been widely welcomed, some critical questions remain. Will the new commission address disparities in salary structures effectively? How will the government manage the financial burden of implementing the recommendations? What measures will ensure timely and smooth execution of the new pay scales? The announcement of the 8th Central Pay Commission represents a deliberate step by the government towards employee welfare and economic prosperity, and this will be successful to the extent that these recommendations can be effectively put into force and meet the demands of the workforce.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth.